Hi friends! Thanks for tuning in. If you like this video, please give it a like, comment below, and take a moment to subscribe to our channel.
Sainte-Anne-des-Monts Quebec is a charming town, nestled along the northern coast of the Gaspé Peninsula. This picturesque town stretches for 16 kilometers along the St. Lawrence River, offering breathtaking views of the sea and surrounding mountains. Sainte-Anne-des-Monts has a fascinating history. Settlers named it in honor of their home parish, Sainte-Anne-de-la-Pocatière in France, and it became an official parish in 1863. By 1968, it was incorporated as a city. While the town has modernized over the years, it remains deeply connected to its maritime roots, with some residents still working in the fishing industry. This town is also known as a gateway to adventure. It's the perfect entry point to the Parc National de la Gaspésie and the majestic Chic-Choc Mountains.
Thank you very much.
Outdoor enthusiasts flock here for hiking, wildlife observation, and, in winter, activities like snowshoeing and alpine touring. The Sainte-Anne River, located just east of town, is a popular spot for salmon and trout fishing, and its nearby beaches host lively festivals during the summer. History lovers will appreciate the town's well-preserved architecture, including the iconic Château Le Montagne and the Church of Sainte-Anne-des-Monts, rebuilt after a devastating fire in 1915. This church, restored in 1939, is considered one of the most beautiful on the Gaspé Peninsula. Today, Sainte-Anne-des-Monts serves as a hub for local businesses and government services. It's a town where visitors can enjoy modern comforts, while being surrounded by nature's beauty. Whether you're exploring the coastline, venturing into the Chic-Chocs, or simply soaking in the tranquil charm of this town, Sainte-Anne-des-Monts has something for everyone.